You probably recognize that, for example, yesterday there was a situation at home and my husband said, Gavin, don't do that. And then Gavin did it again. And then after Gavin did it again, then my husband says, why did you just do that? I told you not to do it. And then my son says, I didn't know not to do that. You hear? You hear? And then we obviously are more mindful now of life because of Eat You Way Too Fit. And so right away we're like, did you know not to do that? Or are you just lying and saying not to do that, right? You see how the difference is? My son immediately went to explain himself how he didn't know how to do that. And the reason I say that is because I'm seeing your comments and I'm seeing why you're coming to class late. It's okay to come to class late. I come to class late. That's not what this is about. But I want you to start recognizing your reasons, because you don't have to give them. Like if you have a piece of cake, you don't have to say, oh, well, I had a piece of cake because it was a birthday party. Oh, I was late because of this. It doesn't matter, dude. Be late. Eat cake. Eat chicken. Work out. There's no need to always have that in your mind to say, but. Yeah, right, you know what I'm saying? Because when a lot of you check in, and I was coaching way before the new group even started, people would be like, oh, I lost a pound because of. Oh, I only lost 2 pounds, but it was Shark Week. Oh, I didn't lose anything because I was on vacation. Dude, this continues if we don't stop it. It continues. You lost a pound, awesome. You didn't lose any weight, it's okay. You had a piece of pizza, I hope you enjoyed it. You were late, no problem. You know what I'm saying? Like, the more we keep saying the but and because, this is how we get stuck in those habits and they don't change. Like, how many times have you broke a date with your girlfriend? Oh, I can't make it because my kid's still napping. Oh, come on. We all by now are adults and now we all know. We all know. We all now know that you're canceling on a friend date. It has nothing to do with you kidnapping. Nothing. We are all now aware. So as soon as you start to being aware how you're always going, but, because, this is why the fitness gets so challenging and why you beat yourself up when you do eat something that you're not supposed to eat. You know what I'm saying? That's how this stops right here. And if I didn't say it now, I'd forget. All right.